Hey people, this is me back again and welcome to Astitva Savarn. Guys, today we are going to do the unboxing. This video is going for the unboxing of the new Honor 7C. So guys, without wasting time, let's get started. So guys, I have purchased this phone from Amazon and let me grab my knife and open this package. By opening it, let me know you some specifications of this phone. It comes with 13 plus 2 megapixel of primary dual camera and 8 megapixel of front camera. And you got the processor of Qualcomm Snapdragon 450 octa-core processor. And this one is the of 3GB. This consists of 3GB RAM and 32GB internal memory, and it is expandable up to 256GB. Yes, and that's my bill. And let's check the box. What you got written on the box. So there is written Honor 7C and nothing else on the top. It makes it shiny and unique. And at the side you got the product, and at the back you got all the definition of your phone. So make sure to read it. If you want to read, then pause the video and go for it. Now I'll be going to break the seal. Let me grab my knife over there. Yes, at the bottom you got your IMEI. Let me grab my knife, and yes, here we go. And the box feels awesome in hand because it is very nice. Look at the phone, man, it is too nice. Let's keep it beside, and that's the IMEI. And let's check the box content. What else you get inside? So guys, the box come with a box. Let me open this box. What we get here? So guys, inside this box you got some of the paperwork, warranty cards and user manual, which I think so I don't need to read it. So let's keep it beside and check the box contents. And there is the power adapter. You can see the muffler of the phone, and if you want to read the details over it, then you can. Okay, let's keep it beside and let's get to the last product, which is the last item is the data cable. Oh, we don't get here the C-type charging cable. This is the micro USB. No problem. And it is long about half meters. Yes. So guys, let's keep this all box contents beside. As we were talking about, I've started Android and it is working properly. Let's get into the setting and I will show you some of the proofs. You can see it. So let's get into setting, and now we will be going to about phone, and you can see there are various options like backup, reset and whatever. So let's get into about phone, and it's come with IM fuel and the device name is Honor 7C. As you all know, there is the model number to get with it, and you can see all the specifications: 3 GB of RAM, phone storage 32 GB, usable 27 GB. So overall this phone is nice, and the review of this phone will be coming soon. So guys, now we are in the camera and I will show you some of the sample images at the last of the video. So let's get back from here and let's check at the back. The phone feels awesome in hand, guys. It's pretty good. So thanks for watching, and the sample images are here.